Hello and welcome to the very first annual Watch of the Year video. A video where I give out a recognition, a prize if you will, to the best watches that went through my hands this year. I'm not talking about releases, I'm not talking about new watches, I'm talking about the watches that went through my hands this year. So without further ado, let's start with the first prize, which is the best budget watch. The first nominee is the Orient Sun and Moon, a beautiful watch that offers a lot for a little money. The second nominee is the Citizen Suyosa, a really good value watch. And the third nominee is the Seiko 5 GMT. And the first winner of tonight is the Seiko 5 GMT. Applause please. Automatic watch, GMT movement, Seiko quality, bracelet. You cannot ask for a better watch. In the second category, we have the best vintage watch. And we have three historical models this year. The first nominee is the Heuer Otavia GMT. Beautiful colors, beautiful aesthetic, a beautiful watch. The second nominee is the historical Speedmaster from 1969. Basically the same reference that went to the moon, a beautiful, beautiful pre-moon Speedmaster. And the third nominee is the Steve McQueen watch in gray or black, the Heuer Monaco. And the winner and most beautiful of these watches, in my opinion, is the Heuer Otavia GMT. Then we have a category that could be considered probably watch porn, which is the best Caseback. The first nominee is the Zenith Chronomaster Sport with the El Primero movement. One of the first automatic chronographs in the world, and with this skeletonized movement is just perfect. The second nominee is the Mont Blanc Twin Fly with a beautiful, also skeletonized rotor, makes this watch perfect. I love this watch because not a lot of people would think that Mont Blanc could be, punching the same weight as other brands, but here they are. And the third nominee is a new watch, the Grand Seiko Tentograph. The first mechanical chronograph from the Japanese house with the new 9S caliber, which is just perfect. And the winner for the best Caseback of 2023 is, of course, the Grand Seiko Tentograph. Congratulations. Then we have the best value watch, a watch that offers a lot for the money. The first nominee is the Tissot PRX, a classic sports watch inspired on the integrated bracelet era. The second nominee is the Tissot Heritage. Wow, two watches from the same house. That talks highly about this brand. The Tissot Heritage 1938 with a salmon dial is a really good watch that offers a lot of value. And the third nominee for this category is the Seiko 5 GMT. But the winner of this category, best value watch of 2023, is the Tissot Heritage 1938. Then we have the best chronograph category. We have another Tissot, the Tissot PRX Panda Chronograph, a really good value watch. Then we have the Hamilton Intramatic Panda, another Panda configured dial, which to me is basically perfect. And the third and the most pricey option of this category is the Zenith Chronomaster Sport with the El Primero skeletonized movement. The winner of this category, of course, is the Zenith Chronomaster Sport El Primero. That skeletonized movement makes this watch just crazy. Then we have the best dive watch, where we have three nominees. First, the Omega Seamaster No Time to Die 007. The watch, of course, worn by James Bond in this last movie. The second nominee is the Silos Hammerhead, a micro brand that goes against the giants of the industry. We had a lot of different variations of this watch this year. We had steel, titanium, bronze. And the last nominee is the Tudor Pelagos 39, one of my favorite watches, made out of titanium and a lot of quality. And the winner of this category, of course, is the Tudor Pelagos 39. The perfect watch, the perfect size, made out of titanium. It's a beautiful, beautiful watch. Then we have the best complication. We have 3 nominees as well. The first nominee is the Oris Atelier Calibre 111. It's a beautiful in-house movement with the power reserve complication of 10 days. The second nominee is the Raqueta Russian Code with the complication that the hands go counterclockwise. And the third nominee is the Longines Retrograde Heritage. Normally we see retrograde hands in watches, but probably just one. But this time we have it 5 times. The date, the hour, the time, the second, and the GMT hand are all retrograde, which makes the Longines Heritage Retrograde the winner of this category. Congratulations. Not all of the watches are made in Switzerland. Certainly a lot of good watches are made out of Switzerland. So that's why we have the prize for the best non-Swiss watch. And we have, of course, 3 nominees. First, the Grand Seiko SBGW 231, one of the most simple yet attractive Grand Seiko watches. The second nominee comes directly from Germany, and it's the Nomos Tangente. And the third nominee comes from Russia, which is the Raqueta Russian Code. But the winner of the best non-Swiss watch is, of course, the Grand Seiko SBGW 231 with that beautiful off-white dial that goes with everything. Then we have the best GMT watch. The first nominee is the Longines Heritage Retrograde. The second nominee is the Mito Decompression Diver World Timer. And the third nominee is the Omega Seamaster World Timer. The winner is, of course, the Omega Seamaster World Timer with that beautiful world dial inside of it. Now, the only 2 categories left are the best dial and the best watch of 2023, which to me are the most important categories left. But before going on, let us say hi to our sponsors of a Legendary Watch Company, which is where all of these watches and more were sold throughout 2023. So now we're going to go through with the best dial category. The first nominee is the Grand Seiko Shubun, the Blue Beauty, inspired by the night skies of the autumn equinox. The second nominee is the Grand Seiko Shunbun, the Pink Beauty, inspired by the death of the cherry blossom and it falling on the rivers and making it a pink river on the Japanese forests. And the third nominee is the Omega World Timer Seamaster, with that beautiful titanium crafted dial with laser, which, just as a comment, no color is added to that dial. It's the pure laser that gives the world its color. But the winner of this year is the Grand Seiko Shunbun, the Pink Beauty. Congratulations. And then the most prestigious prize of them all, the best watch of 2023. The first nominee is the Omega Seamaster 007 No Time to Die, a titanium masterpiece, an aged dial, beautiful, beautiful watch, famous because it was worn by James Bond, the 007 agent. Then, a surprise appearance on this category, which is the Tissot Heritage 1938, a chronometer watch for under $900, beautiful salmon dial, gray strap, beautiful, beautiful watch. And the third nominee of this year is the Grand Seiko Shunbun. But the winner of this category is the Grand Seiko Shunbu. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you for this 2023. I will see you in a year with a new iteration of this video, this annual video of the best watch of the year. Thank you very much. Hopefully we can walk side by side this year. Have a great year. See you next time.